Can all drinks stay inside this 3D printed serving tray? First part, the rail. Second part, the holder. You need 3 of these for this version. The inside diameter is 70 millimeters. Here is a stop that prevents the holders from falling off. And rings to add colors. Let's slide the holders on the rail. And put the rings inside the grooves. No glue is needed. It's completely assembled now without any glued parts. Let's fill it with some drinks. And serve them. I use this tray at work for a year now. And so far, not a drink has fallen off this tray. Check the description for more information. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.